Well, Road State, it's been about 6 or 7 months since we've done anything on the golf project, and we've missed all the summer, we missed all the shows we could go to. We've got about a week left before the end of the year to try and cram getting this on the road for 2020. There she is. So I thought we'll do a golf episode. We've got the carb to build, we've got the electrics to sort out, we've got loads of bulbs to place. So with that long list of important jobs, we're not going to do any of them to get it back on the road today. Instead, we're going to be turning these crusty old, what was black bumpers, back to black hopefully. We're going to be using some Meguiar's new strength, last extra long, ultimate black bumper restorer. So hopefully that makes it look a little nicer and not as old and haggard. Before I get started on the bumpers, I am going to take one of the tanks off. I think the coolant tank, I can't remember, it's been that long since I've looked. Going to put that in the dishwasher, make it look fresh, make it look new, get that back on, fix a pipe. Then we're going to do the bumpers. Apologies for how dark it is in here, the light in the garage shit, but as you can see, this is the tank we need to remove, the coolant tank, because it was white and now looks orange. So whip that off, whack it in the dishwasher. I need to take this pipe off here, which should just come off with a bit of a tug and some grips. And there's two 10mm bolts, I don't know if you can see that there, one each side there and there. It'll come off with the socket. There's one. So here is the dirty tank and what we need to clean it. Look at that, man. That's no good to anyone. So we're going to whack it in here. Hopefully don't affect the plates, probably take them out. Let's see how clean it actually gets. Now that the tank's in the dishwasher, and we'll have a look how clean that gets later, we are going to start using some of this stuff. Ooh, if you can see it, I don't know if it's in focus. Ultimate Black by Meguiar's. And I've took one of the side bits of bumper off first so we can test it, see how clean it comes. You can see how faded that is just about. One sec, let me take it into more light. This Ultimate Black, you apparently shake it well, put some on an applicator pad, apply it generously and rub it down with a microfiber or a fine cloth until it starts coming up black, I think. I've never used it before, so hopefully it looks alright. But the weather outside's got even worse, and I didn't think you'll be able to see the progress on the bumpers because of how dark it is in the garage. So I've brought them into the nice light kitchen, so I'll show you one side which I've done one coat on and the other side which I haven't touched at all, so you can kind of see what the difference is, if it's any good. Now obviously it'll probably look different once it's actually dried because I've only done this about 30 minutes ago. So at the end of the video, when I've done all the bumpers and everything in a day or two, when I've cleaned the car and it's not raining outside, I'll do some shots then so you can see if it actually stays black or if it soon fades into the old shit bumper it was. So here is the one I've done, and this is one obviously I haven't touched. You're looking blacker than the other one. So that's took me about 10 minutes to do. I really didn't spend much time on it at all. I just gave it a quick rub down. It's pissing it down with rain. I don't really want to be in the garage. I'm probably going to do another 4 coats on it to make sure it's as good and as black as possible. Then I'm going to leave it in the weather for a bit and see how long it actually lasts. Because if you have a look on the Meguiar thing, where is it? Now lasts even longer. So it should last for quite a while. If I'm having to do that every week, £15 or whatever it is a bottle, maybe £10 a bottle, and that is just not going to work for me. And that to me is fucking hell steamy. That still looks as fucking dirty as it was. Oh, nice. To anyone that said use a dishwasher to clean your tanks because they'll come up sparkling like new. No. Waste of my time. Yeah, it turns out if you want to have a clean tank, just probably buy a new one for a £5 instead of trying to put it in the dishwasher, potentially breaking the dishwasher, ruining any relationships with any women in the house that might own that dishwasher. Just not worth it really.